Hello friends, I'm back with another idea that is amazing idea and it's about jute crafts that is inspiring ideas for home decor. So jute often refers to as the golden fiber and is a versatile and sustainable material that can add a touch of elegance and earthiness to your home decor. Its natural texture and rustic charm make it an ideal choice for creating unique and eco-friendly crafts. In this video, we will explore some inspiring jute crafts that can effortlessly enhance the aesthetics of your living space. The number one is jute wall hangings. They are an excellent way to introduce a warm and organic element to your walls. You can create stunning macrame designs using jute ropes and incorporate them into a wall tapestries. Experiment with different knotting techniques such as square knots, half-inch knot, and spiral patterns to achieve intricate and eye-catching designs. These handmade jute wall hangings can instantly transform a dull wall into a focal point of your home. Number 2. Jute plant hangers. Bring the beauty of nature indoors by incorporating jute plant hangers into your home decor. Jute's strength and durability makes it an ideal material for supporting potted plants. Creative, simple yet stylish macrame plant hangers to suspend your favorite yet stylish macrame plant hangers to suspend your favorite plants at varying heights. This not only adds a touch of greenery to your space but also creates an interesting visual display. Number 3. Jute table runners or placemats. Dress up your running table with jute table runners and placements for rustic and cozy ambience. Cut jute fabrics into desired shapes and size, and then add decorative elements like lace, beads, or embroidery to personalize them. The natural color and texture of jute will provide a unique backdrop for your dinnerware, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for family and guests. Number 4 is jute storage baskets. Functional and stylish. Jute storage baskets are a practical addition to your any room. Use thick jute ropes to weave sturdy baskets that can hold various items like blankets, towels, and magazines. You can experiment with different weaving techniques such as coiling or twinning to achieve different shapes and sizes. Jute baskets not only help declutter your space but also add an earthy warm charm to your decor. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like all the ideas in it, and do tell us if you like it, subscribe our channel and hit the like